Hi.
Hi.
I forgot my name. My name is Joyce. Okay. How do you make your picture that small?
Oh, Jay sent it to me on O photo.
Oh, on like O photo? Like, oh my god, like so totally like so cool. Okay, like I was watching this movie, right? And then like this girl was like so hiding, and she said she knows a guy named Charlie. Okay, and like it was like so totally scary.
Oh my gosh, what movie was that?
I don't know, but it's not coming to the scary part yet. It's getting kind of boring, and I just don't know how Charlie looks. Is it Uncle Charlie?
No. Yeah. Totally issues.
Like totally crazy. And then this guy comes in and he was like,
oh, it's a big one. Are you? Okay. I can't believe it.
just like no cracc.
Yes, it does. Superstar.